Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Friday. Ooh, TGIF, everybody. Hope you guys have a great upcoming weekend, and it's April 27th. Yeah, we're going to jump over to the economic news releases here for today. We'll start off with the GDP, the gross domestic product for the first quarter. So back for fourth quarter of last year, we had 3%. So they're kind of projecting about 2.7 for the first quarter, and it came in at 2.2. So not the greatest for the first readings. These are the first set. These have about three of them revisions. So we'll see where the final tally comes in probably later in a couple months here. The other item here is employment cost index. So this is kind of the kind of inflationary number to see where the cost of employment is coming. And so the first estimate was so this is for the fourth quarter, came in at 0.5%. So the first quarter, we kind of figured it would remain the same, and it dropped. So costs come down a little bit, which is obviously a good sign. And then the next item here is University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index. So this is tells us what the people or consumers are feeling, and if it's strong, then that's a great number because if they're feeling good, that means they're out buying and they're out doing things. So that helps to get the economy going. So their perception is the economy's going to get better, so they will get better. So we'll start off with, excuse me, for March was 75.7. We figure it would remain the same for the forecast, and then basically jumped up a little bit. So we have a good reading there. I think last month it kind of dropped a little bit. So again, we've been, as I mentioned, we've had some dips lately, and just needed to kind of confirm: are we getting some trend downwards again, or are we gonna, if it was temporary, or where we're at with those? So we'll keep continuing watching some of the, if there's any noticeable trends, but this is kind of nice to see that consumer sentiment moved upwards a little bit. So now we're going to just jump over to headline news, and basically the headline news is very slim today, which is just the stock market's up right now. So they've had a few days of rally this week. So we'll just jump right over to bond markets and see what interest rates are doing. We're still in a very good position right now. We are kind of in a sideways pattern there. Sorry, I got the wrong coupon up there. It should be the 3.5, but we're kind of in a sideways pattern, as we can kind of see from here. We started off close yesterday at 103.66, and we're down about 3 basis points from that. So we're kind of in a sideways pattern. So basically, where we are, rates are the same as what we left off yesterday. So rates should be okay. All right, folks, you guys have a wonderful day and great weekend, and see you on Monday.